Hello everyone, we are back to hairstyling. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, make it come down and pinch out the hair on the twisted band a little bit for boosting out the design. Then do the same on the right section of the hair as well. Then after that, repeat it on the left section, then drop the left tail into the right loop and have it come down and tighten a little bit. Then after that, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside, and with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into 3 equal parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Secure the end with the rubber band, roll the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Decorate with your lovely hairpin right on top of that. Select the side sections of the hair for later with the section of the hair at the back, braid it until the midway, and move on to the right section we stayed before and grab the top part of it and split them into two and have it braided with strips of hair going in between and have it combined with the braid we have at the back and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have it do a loopy braid. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the right middle of the rubber band, drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Tighten it a little bit, then grab the sides of the hair right below that and tie in the left middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band once again. Then tighten a little bit, then pinch out the hair in the twisted band on the top section a little bit for boosting out the volume. Split them into 3 equal parts and braid it along with each other in a very thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, pinch out the hair on the braid sides to make it into a loopy braid and roll it to the top, how it is a bun and make it in place by dropping little hairpin and decorate with your beautiful hairpin on top of that. Grab the section of the hair on the right side on the top section and tie with the rubber band. Do the same on the left side and create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it. Do the same for the left tail. Then after that, drop the left tail into the right loop and have it come down. Then grab the sides of the hair right below the first one. Then with the remaining section of the hair, have it pinched out on the top section a little bit for boosting out the design. Then after that, grab another section of the hair and make it cross over each other and grab the front section of the hair right below that and make it on top of it. So this is how you should braid it. So do the same braiding until you reach the bottom in a thicker manner. Then have the end secure with the rubber band. Then after that, if you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin in the middle of the braid. Then pinch out the hair on the braid's gap to boost out the design and drop in your favorite hairpin on top of it to decorate even more further. Grab a few strands of hair from the top section on the left side and split them into 3 parts and braid it. So how you should braid is first cross the first 2 strands and have it hold up, then have another strand of hair from the front section and make it go in between the braid's gap and cross them. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom middle part and braid it as normal as you do later on and have the end secure with the rubber band and have it split them into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Roll the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping the little hairpin. Then roll the first braid right underneath the bun we just now created and have it hidden underneath the bun. Then have it in place by dropping little hairpin and decorate with your lovely hairpin right on top of that. Braid the top section of the hair and have the bottom section of the hair along with the braid into a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the middle part, stretch the middle part, stuff the tail into it, making as a bun and have a very beautiful hairpin attached to the rubber band. Grab a few strands of hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and move it to the top and have it in place by dropping a 3-in-1 hair clutcher. Then twist the middle section of the hair at the bottom and have it attached to the second clutcher. Then the right section goes to the first clutcher and the left one goes to the third clutcher. Then after that, with the remaining tail we have at the top, have it tie the rubber band in the top middle part. Then after that, to push it even more downwards, have a very little black pin and have it attached to the rubber band and push it down and stretch the bun for volume. Thank you everyone for watching this video.